So guys, if you remember recently, I tinted the front emblem here, which is also the sensor. I did a light smoke tint. You can see here. I love how it looks. But I wanted to show you how easy it is to remove it, if you want to remove it, and why I think it's important to have this wrapped. If you don't want to use a tint like this, I recommend putting a clear 3M protectant film on it, just because these things do get chipped really easy. If you remember, I just did this, just heated the edges and it stuck perfectly. And I might in the future do a darker tint on this, see how that looks. I've seen some of you guys have this pretty dark, and it doesn't mess up the sensors. That's the good thing about it. But I like how it adds to the darker theme I'm going with. But it doesn't mess anything up. No sensors come on. It's still really touchy, so that's good to know. I'm not positive with the darker ones. People say it doesn't, so I'm going to try that later. But right now, this looks good. So if you guys want to darken that emblem up, this is kind of the only way you can do it since it is a sensor. You can't replace the A logo or anything like that. So you just kind of have to do a light little smoke over it. But I like it. Not only does it protect it, it also gives it that darker look to it, kind of blends in a little bit instead of having that shiny chrome A, which I like. And like I said, I'm surprised it doesn't mess up the sensor, because I've been driving around like this for a while now and it's still super touchy. That's how I kind of have it set up in the computer. But it works good. And it kind of flows with the marker lights here too, which I like. But like I said, you can go darker with them. Will be fine. But overall, I like how it looks. So if you guys are looking for that, I recommend doing it. As you can see here, the lights are off. It all depends on angles too. But it just gives it that little added darkness to it. But like I said, I kind of want to try the darker one, so I'll go with a 25% tint. Should look a lot darker. And I'll do that the same way, and I'll show you guys, what kind of compare it, what it looks like. If you guys are running this, let me know in the comment section what your guys' thoughts are. If you had any issues by doing that, I'd like to hear about it. But maybe some of you guys find that useful. Like I said, I have, so I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.